This is a home that's very unique, out of the ordinary. Sure, you've seen the typical floor plan, the master on the main floor, the 3 bedrooms up. Let me show you what Preston Allen can build. Come with me. Welcome to the foyer. We have some very unique moldings throughout the foyer entryway. This Preston Allen home offers a lot of different features, but the features that are well desired and well requested. We have the office on the main level. We have the openness of the great room, kitchen, and the dining room area. We have the covered porch, master on the main level. We have an awesome master bathroom that you're gonna see. A master closet that accommodates a stackable washer and dryer because you have the laundry room upstairs with the other 3 bedrooms. So we have the mud room, we have the stairs going up to offer some separation for noise canceling. We have that bonus area for the guests and for the children upstairs. This just really offers so much for everybody. I'm excited to kind of show you all the details. Look at this quartz with the gold vein on both sides of the kitchen. Awesome backsplash. But I want to point out one thing. This is not your grandma's gold. So yes, gold is coming back, but it's a different shade. And this, of course, matching the highlights of the doors here. Stainless steel appliances, of course. Openness to the great room. Another awesome feature for this kitchen is the size of this pantry. It's larger than most master bedrooms that I get a chance to see. So speaking of master bedroom, let's go take a look. Every morning is gonna be a good morning when you wake up in this master bedroom. We have amazing windows outside. We have this tall vaulted ceiling, really cool, unique lighting fixture here, and then this executive master bath. We're sitting upstairs in the bonus room area. The TV, we have the furniture that can go here, desks, just endless opportunities. 3 additional bedrooms, an additional bathroom, and of course the laundry room. Nobody wants to go up and down the stairs over and over for laundry. This is something that Preston Allen Homes decided to put into their home and many of their other homes. But this is an opportunity for you to purchase a new home with Preston Allen. Come take a look at all the unique features, all the details they offer from the exterior to the interior. I promise you will not be disappointed.